I'm John Cadis, Dean of the Colangelo College of Business at Grand Canyon University. Our approach to business education is Christ-centered. We focus on servant leadership, ethics, and entrepreneurialism, resulting in characteristics many employers seek: intentionality, integrity, and innovation. We believe the free market system and the miracles of business principles lead to great success when faithfully applied. We offer a variety of programs accredited by the Accreditation Council for Business Schools and Programs at the undergraduate and graduate levels, ranging from finance and marketing to entrepreneurial studies and accounting. In addition to their teaching experience, our faculty bring academic research and relevant industry experience to their students in the Colangelo College of Business. They are taught business principles that generate prosperity, promote conscious capitalism, and view business as a ministry. We integrate faith in all areas of life. We promote learning through experience, offering unique hands-on opportunities through a variety of student clubs, including marketing, accounting, sports business, collegiate DECA, Idea Club, and GCU-owned enterprises such as the Havoc House, GCU Golf Course, Grand Canyon Beverage Company, and Canyon Promotions. Additionally, students can participate in TEDx Grand Canyon University, an annual student-operated event led by our Project Management Club, designed to launch startup business ventures. It celebrates our students' entrepreneurial spirit through the business purpose model and pitch competitions. Our on-campus co-working and incubator space, Canyon Ventures, allows students to collaborate and receive mentorship from local businesses and startups. Canyon Ventures is an opportunity for them to apply what they've learned in classes to practical business situations. At the Colangelo College of Business, we aim to help our students find their purpose and use business as a force for good. Welcome to opportunity. Welcome to your purpose. Welcome to Grand Canyon University.